What is going on, guys? Stephen Harvey here, and today I'm going to be making a quick video on how you can actually create yourself a MetaMask wallet in order to be able to trade crypto through, Ethereum or even on the Polygon network, and even be able to purchase and sell NFTs, whether that be on marketplaces like OpenSea and LooksRare. Now, I'm going to be making a series of videos. This one is primarily for MetaMask and how to get a MetaMask wallet and keep it safe. But I will be making more videos about security, and I will be making more videos about how to use platforms like OpenSea and LooksRare in order to sell and buy NFTs. But if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, it would be awesome if you could do so by hitting the subscribe button right down below. Also, if you could like the video, that would be amazing. And lastly, everything I mentioned in this video, we do have a Discord server with all of our links. As you can see here, there's a range of different official links as well. So that's the big thing in the crypto space and NFT space, is there are a ton of people putting links out everywhere. And sometimes some of these links can actually lead to accounts, wallets, everything like that getting scammed and hacked. So all of these links in here are official, including this MetaMask link that we see, and it will take you to this web page. Alternatively as well, if you don't want to go ahead and join the server, or maybe you just want to put it in yourself, you also can go to metamask.io for the official wallet site. Now on here, what you're going to do is you're going to click this download button in the top right hand corner, and it gives us a few different options. We have Chrome, iOS, and Android. It is also supported on other browsers like Firefox, Brave, and Edge. And I was going to save this for another video, but just a quick little note here. One way that you can actually keep your wallet safe is actually to pretty much have them on a completely separate browser. So say you use Google Chrome to do things like Facebook or watch YouTube. I would recommend just keeping that browser just for your social or just for work or whatever, and then using something like Firefox or Brave in order to just do crypto. So it's your only, crypto only browser, or crypto and NFT only browser. That's one way to keep it separate, because if you are, checking your emails, clicking into things like that, and something does seem to happen and come into your browser, then fortunately, as long as your wallets are not linked with that Chrome browser, for example, if you're using Chrome, then you should be fine. So yeah, I definitely recommend downloading a second web browser and putting these wallets on that and keeping everything separate. Now, once you are on here, there is an app as well. You can also get that in the App Store. Same with iOS and Android. But we want to click on this install button here. It's going to take us to the Chrome web store because we are on Google Chrome right now. I'm going to click this Add to Chrome button and just click Add Extension. That's going to go ahead and download it in this bottom corner. But once it's done downloading, it's going to then bring it up in this top right hand corner up here. Here we can see MetaMask has been added. It's also going to open up this web page, which is super simple. It walks us through everything. So you click the Get Started button, and we have two options. Now, obviously this is we are brand new to MetaMask, so we're going to be clicking the option on the right here. If you already have a MetaMask wallet, this is a way that you can import that wallet using your seed recovery phrase onto another browser. For say you're watching this video and you already have a MetaMask wallet, but you like the idea of getting it onto another browser, then this is what you would do. You would click Import Wallet. But for today's video, we are just going through on setting it up as a new wallet holder. So we want to click Create a Wallet. It's going to, you can either agree or no thanks. That's completely up to you. And in here, we're going to create a password. So you want to obviously choose quite a strong password. Use some capitals in there. So uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and also some special characters as well. So I'm just going to put this in here, and then we agree to the terms and conditions or terms of use. Now you can watch this short video in terms of keeping your secret recovery phrase protected. However, the secret recovery phrase is actually going to be the most important part of our wallet today, okay? We want to make sure we keep it 100% secret. So we can see here, and we can see it says click here to reveal our secret words. So I'm going to click it. This wallet is just a complete burner wallet. So if you are, watching this video, don't worry about copying these and trying to get access to this wallet, because I will not be using it anytime after this video. So and same if you want to import this wallet, please don't import this wallet, because well, a lot of other people were importing this wallet as well. So just don't even bother touching these words. Okay, so these are our 12 secret recovery phrase words. What we want to do now is we want to write them down on a piece of paper. Two options here. What I prefer to do is I prefer to open up something like Google Docs, and then in there I just like to type it out. So here's an example of one here, like this. You can like type it out, and then on there you can, once you've typed it out onto there, print it out and just delete that document. Make sure it isn't stored online. I would actually, instead of using Google Docs, I would actually recommend using something just like Word, Microsoft Word, or anything else that's on your computer to be able to print out. So once you've got those written down, keep them safe, because then we're going to click next, and we're going to have to confirm these words as well. So we essentially have to confirm them in this order, like that. So we want to confirm it in the correct order as well. That's the main thing. And then we click confirm, and then congratulations, the wallet has now been set up. So yeah, one last time, make sure no one else sees that secret recovery phrase. Make sure you don't put it anywhere online. So just put it on a piece of paper, store it into something like a safe, or in a very safe place where, as long as you can remember where it is, come into the future. And there are even things out there like other tools or other products, such as like essentially metal kind of seed phrase safes, that essentially you punch in your words onto each one, and then what happens is you can store it somewhere. You can put it anywhere in the house, and let's say unfortunately there's a fire and things burn down, then fortunately this metal seed phrase safe will actually stay intact, and that means you can actually go into like the rubble and be able to retrieve it and still have access to everything, really. So we're going to click all done. That's essentially it now. And just one last thing before we end this video. So thank you so much for sticking around. Of course, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. But one last thing, we're just going to have a quick tour of the wallet. So this is the main page. We actually will also have a Chrome extension, so we can pin that up there, and we can actually access the wallet just straight in the Chrome extension like this, or obviously into the web page here. So at the top here, we have the account, and we also have our wallet ID or wallet address. So we can click copy on there. And whenever you say someone wants to send you Ethereum, then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and copy that address, and always make sure you copy, never get them to type it in or write it down. Always copy, send that over, paste it, and then they'll have your Ethereum wallet address to send you Ethereum. Up here we have different networks as well. So there are other networks like Polygon, as we can see a few there, but we don't have to worry about that in today's video. And then we can also see our assets. So if we were holding Ethereum in here, we would be able to see that in there, and so on. We can also buy, we can sell, we can swap into other tokens on the Ethereum network, and so on. So that's essentially it. All that stuff that I've just said there is much the same in the little extension up the top there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said at the start of the video, we do have a Discord server, so you're more than welcome to join. We'll likely keep this public for quite a while, but if we do see anything like getting quite busy, we might look to shut it off. So make sure you get in there before we close the doors, and we might reopen them again in the future, who knows. But again, thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it, and of course we'll see you guys in the next one.